Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Allahumma Rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Ameen. Today we will discuss the logarithmic and exponential functions. We will begin with indices. In fact, the rules of indices. Rule number 1. According to this rule, we can break the given power as am times an. Example, 5 power x plus 2 can be written as 5x into 5 power 2. Rule number 2. According to rule number 2, since we have negative sign in power, so we can break the power by dividing the terms. For example, if we have 3 power x minus 2, we can write this as 3 power x upon 3 square. Rule number 3. We can multiply m with n according to rule number 3. And more example of rule number 3. The other way of writing rule number 3 as it is am plus n whole power r. So we can multiply this r with m and n. Examples of these two rules. The examples are, so if we have 5 power 2x whole cube, we can simplify this as 5 power 6x. And if we have 5 power 2x plus 3, we can simplify whole power 4. We can simplify this as 5 power 8x plus 12. Rule number 4. According to rule number 4, when the bases have same power, then we can take the power common, like a upon b whole power m. Example, if we have 2 power x upon 3 power x, we can write this as 2 upon 3 whole power x. Rule number 5. According to rule number 5, since a and b have common power, same power, therefore we can multiply a with b, or we can write the power as a common. Since these two numbers 2 and 3 have same power, therefore we can multiply them. It should be 6 to the power x. These are some important rules regarding the indices, which we basically use in logarithms while solving exponential equations. Now let's start logarithms. Question: what is a logarithm? Answer: a logarithmic function is the inverse of an exponential function. LOG is short for logarithm. On a calculator for logs to the base 10, we use the LG key. The base of LG is always 10. So it's understood its base is 10, so we don't mention the base of LG. So in LG5, the base is 10. That is, LG5 is basically LG5 with base 10. But we write LG5. We prefer this symbol instead of this symbol because it is understood the base of LG is always 5. Application of logarithm. It is used to solve the difficult exponential equations such as where there is no obvious way of writing the numbers a and b in index form with the same base number. For example, in this equation, there is no way to write 9 as the base 2. Hence, to solve these type of equations, we use logarithms. Let's solve this equation through logarithm. By taking LG on both sides, we have, now the power x will become the coefficient of log 2. By dividing these two logs, log 9 and log 2, we have 3.17 as the answer of x. The answer should be up to 3 significant figure in general. Make sure before taking the log on both sides, the equation must be in standard index form. The standard index forms are here. This is the standard index form. A power x is equals to b. So before taking LG on both sides, make sure the index equation must be of this form. If not, then first bring the equation into this form and then take the logs on both sides. You should use the rules of indices to bring the equation into this form first. To solve this exponential equation, we first need to bring the equation into this form, and then we can take logs on both sides. So let's use the rules of indices to bring the equation into this form. According to the rule of indices, number 1, we can split the power of base 3 as 3 power 2s into 3 1. Now we have to write this as 32 power x left side, 2 power 5 makes 32, 3 power 2x means 9x times 3. Now we have to bring this 9 power x on left side so that we can take the powers common. Now we have 32. Now we have 32 upon 9 whole power x is 3. Now we have got the standard index form. Now we can take logs on both sides to get the value of x. According to the rule of logarithm, x will become the coefficient. We had to write logarithm here as well. Now we have x equals to log 3 upon log 32 upon 9. You can use your calculator to write the answer up to 3 significant figure here. That's it. This is the first class of logarithmic and exponential functions. We will discuss logarithm in the next lecture in detail. Allah Hafiz.